Today I'm going to teach you how to do Mama Bird. So Mama Bird, your flag is on your right and it's on a down angle. So basically, Mama Bird is your from the front and you're switching to the back. But you got to make it look somehow presentable. So for Mama Bird, what you do is your right hand basically goes over, you're making a circle, and when it goes over and it comes up, you are turning your body around. When you are doing that, your right leg basically comes up in the air while your left is kind of just rotating in its spot. Your left hand is in an angle also. So it looks like you're a bird in a way, like soaring on its side. So that's just 4 counts. This is an 8-count move. So for the first 4 counts, here it is again. You're down, up, pivot, turn. And when you turn, you are now down in a down angle. And then the next 4 counts, you are scooping and bringing it back into a right slant. So what this looks like is 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the side, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the back, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is how to do Mama Bird.